This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by loading Fabfilter Pro C on the vocal bus and soloing the track. Do not overthink routing. Set the compressor to a transparent style, choose 3. 1 is your baseline ratio, and aim for about 3.5 dB of steady gain reduction. This tames peaks while keeping expression. Once done, set a tack between 3 and 5 ms to catch transients, and a release around 50-150 ms so the vocal breathes naturally. Make sure to monitor gain reduction meters as you play. You now shape the vocal. Increase the knee slightly for smoother transitions, or tighten it for punchy control. Medium soft knee is a safe starting point. Use the built-in sidechain EQ to remove 200-500 Hz muddiness and gently lift 3.5 kHz for presence. This lets the compressor react to clarity rather than low-end buildup. Once done, experiment with auto-release or program-dependent modes on Pro C to match phrases. Make sure to /B fast versus slow release to find what preserves. You finish by matching output gain to the unprocessed level so you're not fooled by loudness. Listen in context with the mix. Once done, try parallel compression. Send the vocal to a compressed bus and blend 30-50% wet for thickness while retaining dynamics. If you hear pumping or distortion, make sure to raise the attack time slightly, reduce the ratio, or engage the sidechain high pass to prevent low-frequency triggering. This single tweak often solves most artifacts and keeps the vocal natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.